Is this good?
For what?
Drinking?
Nah, don't drink that. This is my boss. This is my cousin, Ern.
You want a cookie?
Sure. So, how you been?
So you want in on Paperboy.
What? No.
So why are you here then?
Okay, I want in, but I'm not asking for a handout. I want to be your manager.
I need Malcolm. You're too Martin. They killed him.
Didn't they kill Malcolm too?
They say that, but they haven't seen the body since the funeral.
That's how funerals work. Look, Alfred, what you need is a silent wild card. Someone about the money, the opportunity. Someone that can play both sides if needed.
Oh, like Don Lemon.
Let me rephrase that. Look, what I'm trying to say is you need somebody that...
Oh, it's 4:30. We gotta go.
We about to smoke. You down?
Nah, I'm doing business. And I'm not asking for money.
You should be. Ain't you homeless?
Not like real homeless, not like using a ride as a phone or anything.
Whoa, that's racist. That don't make you homeless. That makes you schizophrenic.
Wait. It could work though, using rats as phone. That's genius. Like, there are 5 rats for 1 person alone in New York City. Everyone would have an affordable phone. It would be really messy though, but it'd be worth it.
Is he your manager?
Look, man, we're family, and I know you've been having it rough out here, but rappers don't need managers. Actually, man, get out of my house.
Oh, yeah.